The thrill of creativity fills the air as you glide effortlessly from surface to surface, each swipe of your sock bringing a sense of accomplishment. Embrace the rhythm of your cleaning dance, perhaps even adding in a little twist or turn as you move. Take a moment to step back and appreciate the transformation taking place. The once dusty room now sparkles with newfound clarity, reflecting the vibrant colors of your mismatched socks. Relish in the satisfaction of your handiwork as you switch from one sock to another, each bringing its flair to your task. Maybe you could even set a little timer, just 10 minutes of focused dusting to see how much can be achieved. The playful nature of this DIY project not only lightens the mundane chore of cleaning but elevates it into a joyful expression of creativity and resourcefulness. As the dust settles, you soon realize that it's not just the surfaces that are getting polished, but your skills and appreciation for sustainability too. Keep at it, enjoy exploring different techniques, and let the fun flow through your home. With each sock you don, remember that this simple task is about more than just dusting. It's a celebration of making the most out of what you have. As you catch moving dust particles in your colorful mitt, think about the stories behind those patterns, each wearing a piece of your life's memories while finding purpose once again. The corners spark with life, your home a canvas that reflects your bright personality, adorned with quirky designs that tell tales of cozy times. Dusting quickly becomes a joyful ritual, each surface cleaned, a proud reminder of your eco-conscious efforts. Embrace the sense of community as friends or family pop by, curious about the funky dusting method you've concocted. Sharing this project will inspire others to reclaim their odd socks and keep the cycle of creativity flowing in your community. Remember, it's about more than just cleaning, it's about making a positive impact, one sock at a time. As you finish dusting, take a moment to reflect on the journey you've had with your trusty socks. Perhaps consider trying different patterns next time, or even involving family members in the fun. You might even challenge each other to create the most effective dusting mitt, turning this simple task into a spirited competition. The joy of transforming simple items into tools of cleanliness can spark creativity in all corners of the home. Share your successes with friends, showcasing your handiwork or organizing a small DIY cleanup event in your neighborhood. Remember that each sock represents a chance to learn and grow while keeping your space clean and inviting. By celebrating what you have, you foster a spirit of innovation that inspires those around you to think differently about everyday items and contribute to a greener planet. In the end, dusting with your vibrant mitts becomes more than just a chore. It's a way to express your individuality and connect with the world around you. As you wrap up your fun cleaning session, stand back and admire the stunning transformation that has unfolded in your home. With every vibrant sock showcasing its unique pattern, you've infused your space with personality and a sense of joy. You've not only tackled dust but also created an experience that breathes warmth into your home, leaving a lasting impression on both the environment and your loved ones. By embracing creativity in cleaning, you not only revitalize your space but also inspire others to see potential in everyday objects, making an environmental impact together. Each sock transformed into a tool tells a story of sustainability and joy, forever blending cleaning with artistry in your vibrant home.